All right, the third and the fourth pages, 325, 326 in the review test, and then today you're going to do the third and the fourth page in the math test. So we're going to start at number 6. Number 6 is a horizontal bar graph. Title says plants sold. On the bottom, you have the number of plants. It looks like the range is counting by hundreds, 100, 200, 300. And then the type of plant is over here. So we have ferns, flowers, and shrubs. So the first question asks, how many flowers does the nursery sell? How many more flowers does the nursery sell than ferns and shrubs combined? So flowers to me is right in between the 600 and the 700, so that would be a 650. And then it looks like shrubs is 400 and ferns looks like 450, which works pretty well for a subtraction problem because I don't have to ungroup anything. It looks like 200 more flowers. So not too bad. This one, make sure that you give an estimate first. So if you want to take a look at a ruler and then give your estimate and then measure it, that would be a good idea. And this one, you are giving your answer in the closest fourth inch. So if you were to say like 4 1/4, 4 1/2, 4 3/4, any of those would be acceptable answers too. Or you could just make it 5 inches or 6 inches or 7 inches. The second page, more fraction work. So this time you're comparing fractions. So these are fourths because it's divided into 4. This actually looks like a pizza, which typically comes in eighths. So Jeff has 2 shelves. The length of the wood shelf is 2/4 of a meter, and the length of the metal shelf is 2/8 of a meter. So this one, it has the same numerator, but you can actually use these to compare. So without doing the problem for you, 2/4 would be you shade in 2 of these. 2/8 would be you shade in 2 of these. And it's pretty easy to compare. All right, so Tom, on this one, a line plot or frequency chart. Tom measures the distances some softballs were thrown from home plate. The results are shown in the line plot. So with this one, remember there's typically a break. So it goes from 0, and the break is saying, don't worry about 1, 2, 3, and 4. Nobody threw them those distances. So the first piece of data that we have is 5. So, and this is in feet, distance from home plate. So somebody threw it 5 feet. And then you have a lot of people threw it 9 feet. And then you have some people even threw it 11 feet. So this one you'll just go true, false. So remember, every one of these dots would be the distance a softball was thrown. So you have 1 person threw it 5, 3 people threw it 6, 4 people threw it 7 feet, and so on. All right, good luck. I did put the answers in this folder as well, so if you're doing this on your own, check and see how you did, and then do the math test, which always remember is pretty similar to this. All right, have a good day.